All right, so tonight I'm going to remove all of the RAM sockets. I've already pried a couple of them off to see how bad they were, and they're pretty bad. So I'm going to clean all these out, remove all of them, clean them up. Looks like the traces underneath are okay. It looks like I might have gotten lucky there. Install new sockets, put the RAMs in. I've got 8 good RAMs now. And then I will power it up and see if it works. Fingers will be crossed. I'll be back. It took me a lot longer than I thought. It took me a couple hours to get all this out and clean up all the corrosion. Install the new sockets. And yeah, it took a long time. Looks like I've got them all in the correct position, so I'm ready to try to start this thing. All right, here we go. See if it works. See if any of these pop. Oh, look at that. It's working. Wow, I would have thought at least one of those ROMs would be bad. Okay, so this board had basically corrosion problems and 3 bad RAMs. And the bad RAMs may have been because of the corrosion. So, wow. That's awesome. All right, so I'm going to have a future project. I'm going to be building a Unirom for this thing eventually. I don't know if it's going to be anytime soon. Well, wow, I mean, that looks really good. I don't have a soundboard for this, so I can't test the sounds, but I can test gameplay. Let's see, how did I have this wired up? Is that... Ooh. I might have reset it. I don't know what that is. It may not be coining. Not sure. Okay. All right, well, there may be problems, but hey, it's close. There could be a bad ROM. Because when I move this joystick a certain way, it resets sometimes, like right there. I'll have to see how I wired this thing. I need to add a coin button or something so I know how to coin it. All right, well, basically that's it for now. I don't have time. It's already getting late in the evening, but I'm excited. It's running. Hey, thanks for watching. All right, so the reason the board was resetting is I had wired up the joystick on my control panel for normally open and normally closed. If you push it one way, it's one direction on the switch, and if you go the other way, it's the other. So if you time it just right, you can credit the board. I need to change it. This is where the coin signal comes in, so I need to put a normally open, normally closed switch there so that I don't have to fight with this in the future. Anyway, the point is I got a credit on there, so let's see how it goes. Okay, it started. All right, everything's working. Fire button, left and right, and that's it. That's all you got for controls. Playing with one hand. Doing pretty good. Have to admit. Oh, don't hit the minus. Oh, I did. I hit it. Ah! I guess I have to wait and see if I can get some more plus. There's a 10. Boy, what's it with all the minuses? Come on. Oh, I missed the 10. I got 2 shots. Oh, and the 10's gone. Darn it. All right, game over. Hey, but I think it worked perfectly. Very nice. Oh, I got my initials too. All right. Okay, now that is the end of the video. This board is working 100%, I believe. I mean, I need to check to make sure the audio signals are getting there, but I'll check that at some point. I'm sure they're fine, though. But if it's not, I will mention it in the notes. Thanks for watching.